Hi, it's Kerry. Today we are looking at some of my new and favourite farm animals with lots of interesting and fun facts. I really like my new horses, a Knabstrupper Mare and her foal. There's also a new cat, dog and lamb as well. Can you tell me how many lambs in today's video? Please subscribe and share my video with your friends. There's also a fun ending today. Oh, and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. The Knabstrupper Mare. The breed originated from Denmark in 1812. A chestnut mare with leopard complex blanket markings, which means the spots, was bred to a solid coloured stallion, producing a colt with dramatic spotting. The mare and her son were each bred to many other horses, producing many offspring with spotting and establishing the Knabstrupper breed. The breed almost died out due to problems with inbreeding. It was saved when in 1971 a breeder brought Appaloosa stallions to Denmark to add new bloodlines to the breed. This is the Knabstrupper Foal. Appaloosa and Knabstrupper share the same colour gene called the leopard complex, which gives them their spotted coat patterns. The Knabstrupper breed arrived in America in 2002. Such a beautiful looking horse. The Boxer dog. Boxers originated from Germany. They are imposing, muscular, square-headed dogs. They are medium-sized and have a short muzzle and are known to snore. They do drool as well. They're able to stand on their back legs and box with their paws. They are house dogs and like to be part of the family. The Chartreux cat is a rare breed of domestic cat from France. They are known for their blue-grey, water-resistant, short-hair, woolly coats. It feels like sheep's wool when you touch them. They have orange or copper-coloured eyes. Chartreux cats are also known for their smile. Due to the structure of their heads and their tapered muzzles, they often appear to be smiling. They are exceptional hunters and are found on many farms. My kittens. Domestic cats love to play. This is especially true with kittens who love to chase toys and play fight. Play fighting amongst kittens may be a way for them to practice and learn skills for hunting and fighting when they are older. Cats like hunting mice and rats. When they are not hunting or playing, they sleep for an average of 13 hours a day. Cats can be lethal hunters and very sneaky. Cats spend a large amount of time licking their coats to keep themselves clean. This is my little lamb here. It's not very old. It's just resting on the ground and being looked after by its mother. I love the little hooves under there and the tail tucked underneath itself. Merino Lamb. They are well known for their high quality wool. Such a cute little lamb. Lambs are born in the spring. The ewes mostly produce single or twin lambs. After the birth, the ewes lick its newborn lamb clean. Most lambs will begin standing within an hour after birth and are able to stand and nurse from their mother. My 3D sheep. This is one of my favourites. I'm really good at this one. I can pull it apart and get it back together in about 1 minute. I really like the cheeky face and ears as well. The Merino Ram. A ram is a male sheep. The Australian Merino is bred mostly for its heavy fleeces of fine quality wool. More than 80% of all Australian sheep are pure Merino, with most of the remainder being part Merino. Today, Merinos are still regarded as having some of the finest and softest wool of any sheep. Pole Merinos have no horns or very small stubs, known as scurs, and horn Merino Rams have long spiral horns like this one. They grow close to the head. The ewe, the female Merino sheep. The Merino sheep originated in Spain. The wool coat on a Merino sheep needs to be sheared at least once a year. Wool is a natural fibre and clothes made from wool are fire resistant. Woolen clothes also stay cool in summer and warm in winter. The St. Bernard dog loves to be part of the family. They love to come indoors and also access the farmyard. Inside the house they're a bit messy as they draw and shed fur and track in mud and dirt, but such a wonderful loving dog. The Vietnamese Pot-bellied Pig is a smaller sized pig that originated in Vietnam and is now found worldwide. They are rather plump and can vary in colour. They have poor vision but an excellent sense of smell and hearing. They like mud holes and water because they can't sweat and it gives them a chance to cool off. The 3D pig. Now this is not a friend of mine. I like remaking these puzzles and I always have trouble with this one. I think it's just the slippery outside. I don't know. Maybe I've got to try harder. It's still a cute pig though. The classic pig. The pig's snout is its most important tool for sensing what is around them and for finding food. Feet are called trotters. Pigs have 4 toes on each hoof but only walk on 2 toes per foot. They don't have sweat glands, so to cool off they roll around in the mud to cool their skin. The layer of dried mud protects their skin from the hot sun. I really like the ears and the painted snout on this one. Very cute. There's a little piglet coming up from this one as well. The Yorkshire Sow. This breed comes from Yorkshire in the UK. They have a light pink coloured skin with vertical ears and little dished faces. They are large and lean. The sows have a heavy milk production, which you can see, for raising their piglets, and are very caring mothers. Pigs are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and other animal foods. The pot-bellied pig is also known as the Chinese or Asian pot-bellied pig. It has tough black skin with very little hair, which makes it sensitive to the sun, and in the wild they will wallow in mud to stay cool and protect their skin. They have short, erect ears and a short snout for foraging. It also has a sagging underbelly and very loose wrinkled skin. The Yorkshire female piglet. Litters vary in size from 6 to 12 piglets. This is such a cheeky, cute piglet. I love its little curled tail. The classic piglet. A baby pig or piglet weighs around 1.5 kilograms at birth and will double its weight in just 7 days. They are very clean animals. They keep their toilets far away from their living or eating areas. The alpaca. Alpacas are considerably smaller than llamas and have been bred specifically for their wool. Some have a fleece-like coat and others are more like dreadlocks. Alpacas chew cud like a cow, eat hay or grass, and need fresh drinking water. They are shorn once a year, usually in spring. Alpaca wool is very soft, strong, warm, and light. The wool is mainly used in jumpers and doonas. A baby alpaca is a cria. Usually alpacas don't kick or bite, but they are very good spitters. They chew cud and the spitters regurgitated green grass and smells horrible. Keep your distance. They mainly spit at each other and rarely at people. The llama. Llamas are herbivorous mammals. They eat grass, ferns and hay. They only need a small amount of water. They are often found in South America in the countries of Peru, Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. They became domesticated animals about 4,000 to 5,000 years ago in Peru and are one of the world's oldest domesticated animals. They are descendants of the wild guanaco. Llamas are related to camels, but without the hump. Llama's feet have 2 toenails and a soft leather-like pad on the bottom, and they are often used to carry loads. They are covered in wool, not hair, which can be used to make clothing or blankets, hats and scarves. Male geese are called ganders. They protect the nest while the female geese sits on the eggs. Geese can live almost anywhere. They like fields, parks and grassy areas near ponds, rivers, sandy shores and lakes. They fly in a V formation to give them speed. I really like this white goose. It reminds me of my mother goose fairy tales. Geese make a loud honking noise, especially when angered. They are omnivores and eat slugs, snails, worms, mice, grains and green vegetation. goose is often characterised by a long neck which it stretches when it honks. A young bird is called a gosling. A group of geese is called a gaggle. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more great videos. See you again soon. And remember to tell me how many lambs in today's video. And remember to stay on for the fun ending. See you again soon. To subscribe, click on that colourful Super Fun Reviews button. To watch any of the videos, just click on the one you want to see. And please remember to subscribe and share my videos with your friends. Thank you so much.